5 English vocabulary with short stories. Deep meanings, sentences, and one inspiring story. 1. Paradigm. A typical example, model, or way of doing something. Online learning has become a new paradigm in education. Her teaching style broke the old paradigm and made classes more fun. 2. Allegiance. Loyalty or strong support for a person, group, or cause. The students showed their allegiance by proudly singing the school anthem. He remained in allegiance with his friends, even during tough times. 3. Convey. To communicate or express something clearly. She used pictures to convey her story to the class. His smile helped convey his happiness without saying a word. 4. Devote. To give your time, effort, or attention to something important. He devotes 1 hour daily to reading science books. We should devote time to things that truly matter to us. 5. Diligent. Hardworking, careful, and consistent in doing tasks. A diligent student always checks their work before submitting it. With diligent effort, she learned to play the guitar beautifully. Story. The power of teamwork and dedication. In a small school, the teachers decided to change their way of teaching. They introduced a new paradigm: group learning with real-life activities. Some students found it difficult, but Mina saw it as a chance to grow. She had strong allegiance to her classmates and wanted everyone to succeed. She began creating colorful posters to convey the benefits of working together. Her ideas helped others understand the new method easily. Mina would devote extra time after class to help her group solve problems. She stayed diligent, never missing a task and always giving her best. Soon, the whole class was learning better, and even the principal praised Mina for her efforts. Her hard work proved that with teamwork and dedication, change can be amazing. Read the story aloud by yourself. Thank you so much for watching. Keep practicing and keep growing your vocabulary. If you learned something valuable today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. See you in the next one.